Hi, welcome to Excel and Power BI. Today we will see alternate for merge and center. Instead of using the regular merge and center option, because when we use this merge and center option and we try to insert any column, it gets selected whole items instead of selecting the single row, right? To avoid this, we can use another function. First select your header till where you want to put your header in the center, then click Ctrl 1, go to alignment, go to horizontal and select center across selection. Click OK. Now your header has been merged and is in center. Now you can create any columns anywhere in this row and your header will be adjusted accordingly, right? Hope you have liked this trick. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.